Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my students of Jakarta Islamic School, Jakarta Islamic Boarding School, and Jakarta Islamic Girls Boarding School. How are you today? Hopefully you are in a good condition so you can join with this online learning very well today. Well, I'm still your guest teacher and we are going to continue our lesson, Geography. In the previous video, I have explained about the geography approach. Do you still remember? Very good. And today we are going to continue about geography, especially about the principles of geography and the aspects of geography. Are you ready to learn? Now, let's begin. Don't forget to start by saying basmalah and dua before study. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Ya Allah, give me knowledge and good understanding. Amin. Well, have you ever read your geography book at home? Have you? Very good. In the first chapter of geography book, you can find the principles of geography. Yeah, there are 4 principles of geography. The first is the principle of distribution. And the second is the principle of interrelation. The third is the principle of description. And the fourth is the principle of chorology. And today, I would like to explain the 4 principles of geography one by one. To make you easier to understand what I explained to you, I would like to give you some PowerPoint presentation. Are you ready? Very good. Now, let's continue. Principles of geography are as the basis to explain various geosphere phenomena. Principles of geography consist of 4 principles. The first one is distribution principle, the second interrelation principle, the third description principle, and the fourth is chorology principle. The first is distribution principle, is that geosphere phenomena occurs everywhere and spreads inequitable on Earth. This is the example of the distribution principle. The volcano is one of the phenomena that occurs everywhere and spreads inequitable on Earth. So we cannot find the volcano everywhere. It was spread out around Indonesia. The second principle is interrelation principle. It is used to analyze the relationship among phenomena or facts, both physical and non-physical phenomena. This is the example of interrelation principle. The eruption of Krakatau caused tsunami in Banten. So, one phenomena can cause another phenomena. There is a relationship between them. The next is descriptive principle. It is used to explain further explanation about geographical phenomena. Distribution and geosphere phenomena relationship can be described not only by map but also by data, graphs, or table. This is the example of descriptive principle. The distribution and geosphere phenomena about world population growth can be described by the graphs. And the fourth principle is chorology principle. It is the way to describe overall geographical phenomena. This principle uses an integrated point of view, distribution, interrelation, and description. Well, that's all about the 4 principles of geography. The principle of distribution, the principle of interrelation, the principle of description, and the principle of chorology. Hopefully you understand what I have explained to you, and now we are going to continue to the next topic. Well, now I would like to continue to another topic. Yeah, we are going to talk about the aspects of geography. Yeah, there are 2 main aspects in geography. The first one is physical aspects. These aspects include the natural phenomena in geosphere without any human intervention. And the second is non-physical aspects. It is related with the human activities. Well, from those 2 main aspects, the physical aspects is divided into three detailed aspects: topography aspects, biotic aspects, and abiotic aspects. And for non-physical aspects, there are 4 detailed aspects. Yeah, so the non-physical aspect is divided into 4 detailed aspects. It is about social aspects, economical aspects, then cultural aspects, and the last is political aspects. Well, to make you understand, to make you easier to understand about these geography aspects, I would like to give you some brief explanation using PowerPoint presentation. Okay, now let's check my presentation. The first physical aspect is topology. This is the aspect which relates to the location of the region. The topology is also relates with the area of the region. Like on the picture, we can see the area of Yogyakarta province. And the second physical aspect is biotic. It is about the distribution of flora and fauna in the world. And the third of physical aspects is abiotic. It is about water, land, air, and another situation in the geosphere like climate or weather. Now we talk about non-physical aspects. The first is social aspect. Social aspects is the aspect that discuss custom, tradition, community groups, and social institution. And here are examples of social aspects like customs, traditions, community groups, or social institution. Now we go to the next non-physical aspects, economical aspects, which discuss industries, agricultural, markets, trade, and transportation. Here are examples of economical aspects in market, transportation, agricultural, and industries. And the next is non-physical aspects, cultural aspects, which discuss about education, religion, language, and arts. The next is examples of cultural aspects in education, religion, art, and language. And the last is non-physical aspects about political aspects, which discuss about party and governance. And here are examples of political aspects in parties and in governance. Well, I think that's all for my explanation today. We have learned two important things today about geography, about the principles of geography, the aspects of geography. Hopefully you understand what I have explained to you, and if you have any question, you may ask your geography teacher. Let's close our class by saying hamdalah and dua after study. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika, asyhadu alla ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we have the exercise. Number 1. Natural phenomena in the form of the tectonic earthquake that occurs in Indonesia are related to the movement of tectonic plates between Pacific plates, Eurasia, and Indo-Australian plates. The geographical principles associated with the phenomenon are the principles of distribution, chorology, association, interrelation, and description. Which one the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is interrelation. The question number 2. The study of geography related to the process of volcanism includes part of the aspects of geography, physical, environment, topology, social, or environment. Yes, the answer is physical.